Once upon a time, there was a little puppy dog, very poor and lonely. He didn't have nice clothes, no shoes, and nothing special to play with. He used to walk around the streets in old, dirty clothes. On the other hand, his friends were very rich. They wore clean, expensive clothes, looked smart, and lived happily. But whenever they saw the poor puppy, they laughed at him and made fun of him. The little puppy felt very sad. Seeing this difference broke his heart. One day, he sat in a corner and cried silently. But then, he made a decision. I won't stay like this forever. I will work hard and change my life. First, he started picking up plastic, paper, and empty bottles from the streets. He sold them and saved every single coin. Then he set up a small fruit stall in the market. Every day, whether it was hot or cold, he stood there selling fruits. After collecting some money from fruit selling, he started doing labor work, sometimes carrying heavy bags, sometimes helping people move things. He did whatever work he could find. He didn't stop. He kept saving. Then one day, he started learning painting and coloring. He painted walls, made drawings, and sold them to earn more money. Slowly, his hard work started to pay off. Finally, the day came when he had saved enough money to go to a shop and buy beautiful, clean, new clothes. When he wore those clothes and walked past the same rich friends, they were shocked. They couldn't believe their eyes.